Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. I just bought my first purchase from Sukoshi Mart. I hope I'm saying that right, but this is my first time buying from them and I'm very eager to see what's in the box. So they have actually two stores here in Ontario. I have not been to either one of them, so I don't know how it is. Actually, a coworker told me about this store and I thought I would try it out online. So I bought 3 skincare items from them and a few pairs of socks. So let's see what's in the box, okay? The first thing I got, okay? This is, okay, I never know how to pronounce this. Cosrx, that is the brand. Okay, this is a triple hyaluronic moisturizing cleanser. So I have run out of cleanser and I decided to try this one out. I have tried this brand's products before and I did like them. So I thought, why not try out a cleanser? So this cleanser cost me $20. And I chose this product because I kind of wanted to go a more natural path for my skincare routine. I actually don't have a routine right now because, I mean, COVID screwed everything up. I ran out of supplies, everything got all jumbled up, and I have a bunch of different products now that I'm still experimenting with. So I don't really have a really set skincare routine right now, so I'm just trying to find some products that I like. So nothing really different, it's just a tube. Okay. So again, let me know if you guys have used this product before, what you thought of it. Is it good buy? Would you buy it again? I also do beauty product reviews. So once I've been able to use a product for at least a few weeks, I will usually post a beauty product review. So this is a new channel, so I'm gonna be putting them out a little more often so that we have, you know, a little more for you to watch. Ooh, I really like this. Okay, again, I guess I'm not very good at determining how to pronounce these things, and it's Korean, so Pyunkang Yul. Let me know if you know the correct pronunciation. So this is a black tea time reverse eye cream. So I ran out of eye cream for the longest time. I've been using regular moisturizer and I thought it was time to get an eye cream. Okay, I have not tried this brand before. I have heard a lot about it, that it's clean, it's a really good Korean brand. So this one cost me $33.50. Oh my god! I just tossed the box away because I saw this. It's so nice. So it's kind of like a tin box. Oh. Wow, look at that packaging. The packaging wins all, okay? The packaging gets like a 10 out of 10. It's so cute. I wonder if all their products are like that. If this is good, I will probably try some other products that they have, but this is it. Eye cream. I got one more thing. So it is the same brand, Cosrx, okay? I don't even remember, what did I get? Oh, Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream. So I believe this is just a moisturizer. Ooh. Nice. Oh, it's pretty loose actually. Very thick. Give you a little sneak peek of this. Can't wait to do reviews on these products. So this cost me $26.85 and it looks like it should last a while. It looked pretty thick there when I opened it just now. Ooh, give me some samples. Who does not like samples? They give a lot of samples. Noni Light Oil Serum. I've not heard of these brands before. Snail Bee High Content Skin. I'm not a fan of snail stuff, I don't know. Jumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing. Okay, I guess these might all be Korean brands, I'm not sure. Centella Green Level Buffet Serum. So these are the packet samples. And there's also a bag with Pyunkang Yul products in here. So this is just the toner. I don't know if these things are in focus or not. I hope it is. I'm sorry if it's not. But all the descriptions will be below, so you'll be able to find that there. Looks like there's some moisture cream. Oh, there's all one thing. Very nice. So there is mist toner, cleansing foam, moisture ampule, moisture cream. Sounds like all moisture, which is good for my dry skin. I don't know. Mist toner. Okay, I can't really mist myself with the packet, but Excuse me, I'm kind of crazy. Anyways, more packets here. ATO lotion, blue label, ATO nourishing baby oil, moisturizing soothing gel lotion, and cream blue label. So I guess this might be just another line. Oh, for baby and sensitive skin. So those were all the skincare items that I got from Sukoshi. I also got some socks because they were 3 for $10 and you can't go wrong with socks, right? And look at them. Yellow sock, oops. Yellow socks, I don't have yellow socks. Black, I thought they would go well with anything. Look at it, there's like little fish and cat. They're very cute. And it's the same patterns for all of them, but just different color of the sock. This one is gray. Which one do you guys like? I kind of like the yellow one. But anyways, here were the 3 socks that I got. That was everything in the box, nothing else. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, all these products that I shared with you. Let me know if you tried any of them, if you have a favorite. I'll be glad to answer your comments, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, it really helps out my new channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much, bye!